We have had a long journey. We have come a long way. We wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. All the support you give, you all keep me going. You all are the reason I seek to have better content and better quality videos. Now let's keep growing. Thank you all.
So we're gonna place our paper right there just like that. We're gonna take this marker. We're gonna mark out these holes. Just like that. We're gonna find our drill bit that we want. Probably gonna go with, I think we're gonna go with 3/8 on this one. Get it in the center as we can. Now we're gonna see how crooked we are, because I know it's not gonna be perfect. Now we're gonna get the underside. Got them two in down there, which I had to do off camera, but it was easy. They went right in. Now we're just gotta tighten up these two up here. There we go. Now that we have our winch mounted, we need to do our wiring. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, see how I wanna route everything and do all that. And we'll get to doing that. See how easy the old paper trick, it actually works. And if you keep the paper, you could use cardboard. Cardboard is best, but paper works just as fine. Let's get the wiring. So guys, the weather has kind of stopped us from finishing up that project. So there's going to be a part 2 on that. Also, we had to order a battery box because the battery box that's on it is not big enough to handle the winch. So we have to put a big deep cycle battery on there, and then we're going to wire the trailer brakes into that battery instead of the little battery that's on it. But unfortunately, the weather stopped us, and needing that battery box has stopped us. So as soon as we get that in, and as soon as the weather gives us at least a decent day to work with, we'll get back out there and make part 2. I want to thank you guys for watching, like, sharing, subscribing, and participating in the channel like you have been. It's been super awesome, and I really thank you guys. I hope you're enjoying this snowfall, because as much as I hate it, it is pretty, I guess. I guess that's the best thing about it, is it's pretty. But other than that, I mean, you know, what can we do? Just wait. We're just waiting on parts for a bunch of things. So I want to really thank you guys and let you guys know all the people that have donated and supported the channel. It really helps me do these videos. I know this ain't the one of the best videos that I've ever done, but I wanted to get part of it out there. I know if you guys are looking at putting a winch on your trailer, that you'll have the instructions so you can read the wiring and all of that. I figured you guys would at least want to know how I installed it. Now, right there where I installed it, it's probably not the best place on a trailer to install, because that back plate that I installed it to is kind of thin. You could put a bigger plate right there, which would work very well actually. But we're not using it to haul, cars and stuff. We're using it for ATVs and side by sides and stuff like that, and it'll be fine for all that stuff, so it won't hurt a thing. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching, like, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and all that awesome stuff that you guys do. It really helps out the channel. Everybody that shares my channel will definitely help us grow, help us do more better videos. We're just waiting on everything to come in the mail so we can finish this project, which would definitely be a part 2 on it as soon as the weather breaks, because we're getting hit by snow and I'm not able to get out there. Well, I could if I wanted to freeze, but that's all right. I'd rather do it on a day where I could record it and all that stuff. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for everything that you do. Much appreciated. Peace out. God bless. If you're looking for any CFMOTO parts, accessories, or even a CFMOTO itself, make sure to check out Main Street Cycle. They are a huge supporter of our channel, and without them, we wouldn't be able to do half the stuff that we do. They are one of the best dealers there is around that you can go to, or even call up, text up, and order parts, and it be at your door within a couple of days time. It does not take very long. I'm in Ohio, they're in Mississippi, and it usually takes 2 days, maybe 3 at the most, to get parts from them. So that is quick, very quick. They stock a lot of stuff, and they have a huge selection of just about anything you can need, from fluids to mufflers to tires, everything. Definitely get over there and check them out and let them know Redneck Rod sent you.